Hello everyone, my name is Santosh and welcome to my channel The Red. I'm back again with another video with DJI Ronin RSC2 unboxing and quick look on this gimbal, and it will help you to make a decision that you should buy this gimbal or not. Hope you like this video. DJI is a known brand for gimbals and drones. If you buy DJI products, that means you are buying a good product, that for sure. Let's see what comes inside the box. So DJI Ronin RSC2 comes with two versions. One is it's a base model and the other one is pro model. This is the unboxing of base model. So let's go ahead and see what comes inside the base model box. First of all, in the box you will find user manual guide. I know nobody use it, but DJI and other brands are still providing these manuals, so that's a good thing. Okay, now let's go ahead and see what else we have in this box. So we have this quick release plate. DJI provides all kind of cables, including USB-C to USB-C, USB to USB-C, all those kind of cables you will find. You don't have to buy any cable from the market. This tripod stand is actually used for multi-purpose. You can use this tripod to hold your camera and gimbal. This gives you an extra grip. This tripod is made with plastic, but extremely good plastic and very durable, no doubt about it. You also get an additional quick release holder. So that's a good thing. Let's say if you miss one, you still have additional one that you can use. We also get lens holder in this box, which is a good addition. So let's say if you have longer lens like 24x105 or 24-70, you can use this lens holder to hold those lenses. So it's a good addition. These screws are required for lens holder as well as to put your camera on the quick release plate. Now let's go ahead and have a look on the gimbal itself. Now you can see how small this gimbal looks in this box. So that can give you an idea how smartly DJI has built up this gimbal. The locking mechanism is the best in its class. You can carry it from one place to another place without any problem. And let's say when you use it, when you want to use it, on every gimbal head you have unlock and lock small switch. You can switch to lock and switch to unlock on one press, and then you can set up this gimbal and you are ready to go. If you want to use it, you quickly lock this gimbal, set up your gimbal you quickly lock this gimbal, you set up your camera, and you're good to go. If you want to remove this, you remove your camera, unlock it, and you are good to deassemble it. So yeah, here's the quick look of overall items that comes into this gimbal. Let's have a detailed look on this gimbal. So this gimbal has 1-inch OLED screen where you can get the information what setting you are using, and you can use joystick. There is a joystick button here. You can use joystick button to switch from one setting to another setting. You can also use your mobile device and DJI app, which is extremely good. You can set up your gimbal, you can change the setting on that device, and this will be effective on your gimbal directly. So right now there are 4 options available to buy if you prefer DJI. You have Ronin S and SC, which are the older models. You have the newer models. You have Ronin RS2 and RSC2. These are the newer model. Ronin SC had a lot of issues and challenges earlier. It was not capable to handle bigger camera, as well as the payload was also not good. So DJI heard all these feedbacks and they came up with a new model, which is DJI Ronin SC2. It has better load capacity, it has better balancing, the motor is quite good, and it can handle approx 3 kg of payload. Now you can also set up your bigger camera on this gimbal. Let's say if you have Canon 6D or 5D Mark III. Currently I have Canon R6 and 5D Mark III. Both the cameras fits on this gimbal extremely well. If you are in India, your budget is 35,000 to 45,000. You can go for Ronin RSC2 base model. And if your budget is almost like 50 to 60,000, you can go for Ronin RS2. If you are in the United States, you can buy DJI RSC2 for $499. This is your host Santosh Kumar. For next video, take care.